The poppy, also known by its scientific name Papaver, belongs to the genus of poppy plants, also called Papaveraceae. Under this genus exist both annual species, for example, the well-known corn poppy or also the opium poppy, and perennial plants, such as the Turkish poppy and the medicinal poppy. The poppy describes a deciduous, herbaceous plant. The growth height of the poppy can vary from 20 to 90 centimeters. This plant is able to produce a milky sap due to its reticulate connected milky sap tubes. In addition, the poppy is recognized by its little branched stem, which is relatively thin and hairy. The hairy stem leaves are rather rough and bristly with an average length of 15 centimeters. The poppy flowers from May to July. Its flowers are solitary and terminal. The flowers, which are hermaphroditic, can be recognized by the radial symmetry and the quadrupinacy with double perianth. When the flower bud opens, the two hairy sepals fall off. The petals of the poppy appear to be irregularly crumpled in the bud. The corollas are about 5 to 10 centimeters in diameter. The plant is equipped with 4 scarlet to purple petals, which have a large black dot in the lower part. The leaves are extremely thin and therefore resemble crinkly paper. In total, the poppy has about 164 stamens. The capsule fruit is twice as wide as long. It has a length of 10 to 22 millimeters and is rounded at its base. This capsule contains several hundred seeds. The capsule fruit is divided into fanned pore capsules by means of several false septa, so-called growths on the seed bar. The seeds, the poppy seeds, have a very dark color and are about 1 millimeter in diameter. This genus contains more than 100 different species. Mainly, the plant is found in temperate latitudes in the northern hemisphere. In fact, only one species exists, which has spread to the southern hemisphere, more precisely to South Africa. Some of the poppy species are especially important for medicine. Due to the active substances they contain, the plants are counted among the oldest medicinal plants of all. Both the opium poppy and Papaver setigerum are planted and used for the production of opium. Due to the oily and particularly pleasant nutty-smelling seed, the opium poppy is used in some desserts and pastries. The poppy can also be used raw, by adding the young leaves to salads. The taste is reminiscent of cucumbers with a hazelnut aroma. In addition, the red petals are suitable for decorating food. The still young and fresh fruits can be eaten. The leaves are also suitable for cooking, like spinach. In earlier years, the plant was made into a syrup for coughs and hoarseness or served as a sedative for infants and pain. Another use of poppy is the processing of poppy seeds into oil. This is said to have similar properties to the opium poppy. In England, the poppy is a symbol of the memory of fallen soldiers. This was once made famous by a poem In Flanders Fields and by the First World War. On the graves, as the first plant of the approaching summer, the poppy was in full bloom. In Persia, on the other hand, the poppy symbolizes the power of love. Here, too, a poem plays a particularly important role, in which it says, "Yes, as long as there is the poppy, as long as we have to live." In Germany, the corn poppy was considered the flower of the year in 2017.